agency, do one thing. Honestly, you have to think about what's the unique point in your agency, and I tell you how you can create one. What exactly you are going to do is, whatever clients you have, make the case studies of those clients. Make detailed case studies, screen shares, and hide the name obviously. You have NDA signed, and make the case study month by month, or you can show the week by week progress for last 4-5 months of each client. Have at least like how many maximum possible. Start with 3 every month and have like 15-20 case studies. That's a asset. That's a moat that distinguish you from other agencies in your niche. You can just say that anybody asks you about your results, don't explain anything. You'll be like, let me show you the results. Show the case studies, and it's gonna work a lot. Second thing is the testimonials. You say good about your company, it's okay. But if someone else say good about your company and that person is using the product, what you can do is ask your clients, like who are with you from 3-4 months, and ask how they are getting results, and when they feel like they're getting good results, ask for testimonials right away. Don't be shy. I know that usually we don't ask about it because we feel like we are taking something or like that. Don't feel like that. You have to ask with authority. Remind again and again. You need. It's an asset. Honestly, it's gonna help you a lot. Have like 2 to 3 testimonials every month. You are making an asset out of your company. It's not just you in the company. Longer run, you have to hire managers at like you will managing 50-100 companies at a time. There should be modes in the company. One will be the case studies, other will be the testimonials. That will work very well for your business. Do it right now.